Another bulb. Looking beautiful. So pretty. Wayah Tower. Well, this is where I head on by myself. The rest of my family got picked up right there. They're going in for the winter storm and cold weather that's coming, the snow and such. I'll walk down this pavement here. It just keeps blowing my mind every single day. Wow. Wayah Tower. Okay, let's get off of here. Whoa! Oh, we almost fell. Okay. Get this camera down, pay attention, and get to the shelter. I'm only about 0.9 miles away from the shelter. It's about to get dark on me. It sure is pretty. Made it to the shelter right at dark. Get something warm to eat. Go to bed. Oh, it's dark and creepy. Alright. Got chores to do. Alright guys. It's a new day. Last night was my first night by myself. Stayed here at this shelter. Woke up to snow. That's why everybody else left the trail. Went back home for a few days and all that. But I kept moving. And today's plan is to get 10 miles through this stuff. We'll see how fast I can go. I got all day. I am starting late because it was so cold this morning. It's about 10 o'clock. Got about 10 miles. we'll see. There is a shelter about 4, 8, whatever, 5 miles away. But it's high up on the mountain, so it'll be pretty windy. We'll try to get past that, but we'll see how the day goes. Let's go do it. This water source was way down here. I'm glad it's flowing. I was getting nervous. Next water's 3 miles. I ain't got any. Alright. This is great. Let's fill up. It started snowing again. That's the reason I stayed in the shelter all morning. It said it was going to stop snowing about 9 o'clock. And it wasn't snowing at all. So I thought, well, they don't know what they're talking about. Sure enough, as soon as I start hiking, it's snowing. I don't know if you can see it, but I'm having to go so slow because you can't tell what's under here, you know? And then you just drop down. Ugh. Hard on the knees too. Just saw some locals out hiking, so that's good. Now I kind of have tracks to follow. You know, I can see where they've sunk in. Just stick to their tracks. Now I can move a little faster. Cold spring shelter. It's gonna be cold. It's a cute one. A small one. Really small. Hey guys, sorry I look crazy. Well, I just passed Cold Spring Shelter. It's like 2:30. It's like 4,900 feet elevation there at that shelter, and it's windy. And I gotta keep moving. That's why I'm huffing and puffing, but I've been huffing and puffing in all these, I reckon. Anyway, the next shelter is up past Fire Tower, and then down 5.8, probably like 5.6 miles away. And the snow is slowing me down. I'm out here making fresh tracks. Nobody's up here with me. I don't know if that's a sign that I'm being stupid. I might know I'm already pushing it to do this full 10 miles. That's what it was this morning. Sounds crazy, but the snow is slowing me down. Looking bad. Alright. I gotta get moving faster. It's hard. My legs are so sore. Whew. Alright. I'm really contemplating on whether I is smart or not. Because no matter what, I mean, they said 16 degrees. Check that AT weather. You can check shelter to shelter. And they said 16 degrees. That's not counting the windshield. And it's supposed to snow again from like 8 to 11, and then freeze rain or something like that from 1 to 3. But that is right there. And I mean, I could make it. I got hot hands. I got plenty of fuel. I could boil the water and throw it in my Nalgene bottle and then throw that in my sleeping bag. I mean, I will make it. Question is, will I make it another 6 miles? What to do? Well, I guess they don't call me loghead for nothing. I think I'm gonna keep on. Let's see how it goes.